Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing good. So today I'm doing a get ready with me and let's get started. So as you can tell, I already have my eyebrows done and a little bit of foundation. So now let's focus on my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to be using this little bit of like orange brown on the outer corner of my eye. Again, go ahead and do that windshield wiper motion. Then go in with a lighter shade as you've seen. And now I'm going back with a little bit of that orange. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of this light shade in the middle and then just kind of dragging it in and out. And then again, I'm going back in with that orange, focusing on the outside. Now I'm going in with this glitter, and it's a gray glitter, and this stacks on really well, so a little goes a long way. You will have a lot of fallout, but again, it's normal with every eyeshadow, especially when they're very pigmented. After I'm done focusing with the gray glitter eyeshadow, and after doing my transition shade, which is like the orange colors you see, I'm going to go in with the black color and I'm going to focus it on the outer edge of my eyelid and then just kind of drag it in and out with that windshield wiper motion. Once you do that, make sure you get a new brush that's clean and then just go over those harsh lines. Now, I got my e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm doing my little eyeliner trick just to bring out that waterline a little bit more. And using that same pencil, I'm going to go ahead and do a small wing liner at the top. Just enough to kind of like make it subtle, but not very dramatic. And after I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get my blush. And I'm going to put some on my cheeks, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Hello Kitty collection. Now, I'm just curling my eyelashes, having them ready, so then I can apply some mascara. Again, with the mascara, I like doing 1 to 2 coats, depending if I'm gonna put fake eyelashes or not. Okay guys, I went ahead and I put some eyelashes. Now I'm going to be setting my face with the e.l.f. setting spray. I'm going to be using a kind of nude lip liner to line my lips, and I'm also going to bring it in as if it were to be a lipstick as well. Now I'm just getting my lipstick and going over my whole lip where I put my lip liner. So guys, there you have it. This is the final look. Ooh, this was a long one. I tried to do a little bit of a subtle transition shade going into something a little bit more bold. I hope you guys liked it. If you followed along with me, please let me know. And again, don't be scared if you have some fallout. As you can tell, I have a little bit left. You can definitely swipe it off with a clean brush. And now, I also have to say that this Morphe x Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette is really good. I really like the glittery kind of, so yes, the glittery shades are really pretty and they're also very pigmented. So I really like this palette. So again guys, if you haven't done so, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you have, thank you so much, and I really hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.